Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all. Let's start very quickly. Today, one more session of reported speech with you people. Very quickly. If you see on the screen, the first exercise says, Dinesh, have you seen any good films recently? What is Dinesh asking? Have you seen any good films recently? Rajesh says, no, I haven't been to the cinema for ages. Dinesh, would you like to accompany us to the screening of the new film Strangers on a Plane tomorrow? Rajesh says, sure, I would love to accompany you. So, this is direct speech, children. These are the clues which are given to you. You need to change it to reported speech. Is it okay for everybody? Did I discuss the sample paper with you? Class 10th CBSE board paper issued, sample paper.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Have we discussed the
Yes,
sample
ma'am.
paper? Okay, fine.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
class, next class, I'll again be taking up that paper. Abhi to you just start very quickly. Just this part you have to do, children. Your time starts now. Raise your hands after you finish doing this. Change it to reported speech. When you finish, raise your hands. All the students who've joined till now have to attempt. Correct or wrong doesn't make a difference. Even if you do wrong, I'm absolutely okay with it. But you need to do better. Chalo, hurry up. Start doing. You don't have to say done, done. Just raise your hands once you finish. Only two hands, Yashi and Snehal. Hurry up, others. Hurry up. Now we've got 4, Yashi, Snehal, Simpi and Shreya. Hurry up, adults. Come on, beta, jaldi karo. Still same 4 hands. Quickly. Navya, Anand, are you there? Navya, good morning. Arohi?
Yes.
Hurry up. Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Is this class only for 5 students? What are the others doing here? Tell me very quickly. Within 2 minutes, raise your hands, all of you. Right or wrong doesn't make a difference. Even if your answer is wrong, I'm absolutely okay with it. But do it. Hurry up. Why only 5 children are there in the class? See, I'll start calling you one by your names if you do not raise your hands. Please mute your audio. Children, mute your audios, otherwise I'll have to mute everybody. Hurry up, mute your audios. I don't want to mute you because then if you want to ask something, you'll not be able to ask. Still there is some disturbance. Somebody's audio is on. Whose is it?
Ma'am, Aryash and Rachit.
Please mute your audios. Until it is not needed, please mute. The entire class will get disturbed like this.
Ma'am, Aryash mic is on.
Aryesh, can you hear me, beta? Aryesh?
आप प्रॉमिस करते हैं, आते नहीं हैं। हाँ।
Aryesh, mute your audio. Aryesh को mute कर दो. Okay, Rachit is also raised. Vishwansh is done. Arohi is done. Aman, finished? Nishkarsh is also done. Very good. I'm waiting for Aman, Anand, Anmol, Navya, Pranjal, Shivam. Shivam Koshiyari, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why are you taking so much of time, beta? Hurry up, my child. Pranjal, are you there? Pranjal Agarwal, are you there? What is the point? I will not mark
Yes,
children for
ma'am.
these. So you're there. Then why are you not raising hands? Shreya? Shreya? Shreya, good morning. Speak
Yes,
quickly.
ma'am.
Otherwise, I'll remove from the meeting if you people don't respond. Anmol? Very good. Anmol has done. Now, only Aman, Nave. Aman is there? Aman, are you there, beta? Let's start with the first hand to be raised. Let's have it very quickly. Yashi. Yashi Shukla. 13 students have already raised hand. That's really nice. Very good. Yashi, give me the first answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashi, give me the first answer.
Dinesh asked Rajesh if he had seen any
good films recently? Very good. Okay, Snehal. Second one.
Rajesh told him that he hadn't gone to the cinema in ages.
Gone to the cinema for ages, not in ages. Otherwise, it's
Yes,
absolutely correct. For ages. Okay, next.
yes, sir.
Simpy. Simpy next.
Dinesh asked Rajesh, will he like to accompany us? Will he like to accompany him to the screening of new film Strangers on a Plane tomorrow?
No, beta, there is something going wrong. Shreya, do it again. She's done 2 mistakes. Shreya.
Dinesh asked Rajesh would he like to accompany them to the screening of new film Strangers on a Plane the next day.
Okay. There is still one thing which is going wrong. Arohi, same sentence.
Dinesh
Do it
asks
again.
Rajesh whether he would like to accompany them to the screening of the new film Strangers on a Plane the next day.
Arohi, speak a little slowly, beta. Speak a little slowly so that I can comprehend what you're saying, beta. Speak a little slowly. Bolo.
Dinesh asks Rajesh whether he would like to accompany them to the screening of the new film Strangers on a Plane the next day.
Excellent. See, it's an interrogative sentence. You can use if or you can use whether. Whatever is your choice. You can use any one of them. Beta, I'll tell you what mistake you people were doing. You were changing would to will. The other two girls who just not did, the only mistake that you people were doing, you were changing will to would. Sorry, would to will. Beta, will is changed to would. But would will remain would only. Got the mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, tomorrow changes to what?
The next day.
The next day. Yes, one of you did not do this. Otherwise, rest everything what you people did was absolutely correct. Only these two small things were coming. Okay, Vishwansh, next. Vishwansh. Vishwansh, give the next answer. I don't know, he's not responding. Nishkarsh.
Ma'am, D part.
The last sentence, beta.
Ma'am, Rajesh replied that he would love to accompany him.
He would love to accompany. Love to accompany
Him.
You spoke correct,
Him.
beta. You spoke correct. Yes. Love to accompany him.
Him.
Very good. You did it absolutely right. There is no problem. You've done it correct. Now we are going to start again with Nishkarsh. Nishkarsh, are you back? No. Anant will give the first sentence, then Anmol, and then Nave. Start. Anant, start. Hands down immediately when I say, huh? Anmol, you speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol is also. Anmol, you speak the first sentence.
Dinesh asked Rajesh, have he seen any good film recently?
Had he seen? Have changes to had. Very good.
Had.
Very good. Otherwise, rest everything is Nave. Are you there, Nave? Can you give me the second answer? No. Aman Narula? Aman, good morning. Anant? Anant Gangwar? Can
Yes,
you give me
ma'am.
the second sentence? Give me the second sentence, Anant. This
The
Rajesh
third one.
Wala?
Oh.
Second one, second one.
Rajesh told him that he had
He had not been to, he hadn't
cinema
been
age.
to.
He
Yes.
hadn't been to cinema ages.
Yes, beta. Haven't will change into hadn't. Haven't will change into hadn't. Pranjal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, give me the third answer.
Ma'am, third one.
Yes, third one.
Ma'am, Dinesh asked Rakesh, um, would he like to accompany him to the screening of the new film Stranger on the Plane next day?
Very good, very good. See, he has changed tomorrow to next day. Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya, beta, you give the last sentence. Again.
Rajesh replied that he would love to accompany him.
Very good. Rajesh replied that he would love to accompany him. So 2-3 things are very clear to everybody. Change of pronouns. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Let's move on to the second passage now. Patrick is saying, where are you going? George, I'm going to London for a business meeting. Where are you going? Patrick, nowhere. I'm meeting a friend. Unfortunately, his train is running late. I have been waiting here for nearly an hour. Please start doing the second passage now and then raise your hands better. Once you finish the second passage, then raise your hands. Okay? All hands down so that I know. Nave, hand down. Permanently, he has done this. He is not there in the class also and he has done it. Let me remove him only, otherwise. Hurry up, Nave.
No, ma'am, I am in the class.
Then why don't you answer? So many times I took your name. Now you will only give the first answer. Chalo,
Voice
do
was
the
not
second
coming.
passage. Acha, chalo. Now do the second passage and you give me the first statement answer. Finish it soon. I'm giving you 3 minutes, all of you.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, Vishwansh is asking me to let him inside the meeting.
Was he there earlier?
Yes, ma'am.
If he was there earlier, I will let him in. But if he's joining now, it's 20 minutes. Otherwise, I would have not allowed. If Vishwansh was there earlier, then I'll allow. Very good.
Ma'am, there is someone with the name 1+70 Vinod.